Now that's 3 league games without a win. Let me address the Khanyisa Mayo incident first. Mate, if that's the kind of mentality you are bringing into this team, then I want you out of my football club. Absolute moron. That guy had no business touching that ball. That ball was going in. That ball is literally in. There is no need to touch it. Even if you are onside, even if you was onside, I was going to come here and say the same thing. William Wood hasn't been on his best lately. He was having a good game in that first half, and he was going to score and get his confidence back. And what does Kanyisa Mayo do? Absolute greedy, absolute twat. You know what? Let's get into the game. I think the coaches coached a win and our players masterminded a draw. I think we could have won this game easily. Could have scored at least 3 goals. Once again, we get a penalty. We scam a penalty. That's not a penalty. It comes off his chest first. But it's given. Lilepo, poor penalty. Last week it was Gaston Sereno. This week it's Lodi Lilepo. Poor penalties. We also had great chances to score. We couldn't. Why is Chabotele on the bench? I don't understand. Why is Chabotele on the bench? We don't have enough quality to put Chabotele on the bench. We don't. That's the only question mark I have for the coaches in today's game. Oh, and late substitutions. Made 75 minutes, 0 substitutions. The fans have to shout. The fans have to scream before you can make a change. William Wadi was off the whole second half. Jody Lepo, he was crap the whole second half, but waited until the 75th minute to make changes. William Wadi ended up playing 90 minutes. I don't know why, because he was offering us nothing in that second half. He was getting the ball, couldn't beat his man, too many back passes. Why is Chabotele on the bench? I don't understand. Nkosingphile Ngcobo is there to have a great game this season. What has he done to start ahead of Chabotele? Okay, I can understand with Sibongiseni Mchecho. I think today off the ball outstanding, but on the ball same thing, passing the opponents, misplacing passes. But Chabotele, I don't understand why he's not starting. I don't understand why Nkosingphile Ngcobo is starting ahead of him. Okay, you bring in Gaston Sereno as a number 10, okay, it's fine. Flavio Silva up front, okay, it's fine. Chabotele as the number 8, okay, it's fine. Then you are putting Wandile Duba on the right. What are you doing? It's not working. Wandile Duba is not a winger. Wandile Duba will never be a winger. He's not that good technically. He can't beat his man. Most importantly, he can't beat his man. He can't beat his man. He's not productive wide. He has to compete as the number 9. He has to compete as the number 9. Rather leave Lilepo to play the whole 90 minutes then. Rather leave him on the right the whole 90 minutes. I don't want to see Wandile Duba playing wide. I've seen him enough times. I've seen him enough. And I've concluded he's not good on that position. He is not good. I think defensively we're much better. Um, Recently we've been, leaving too much space in behind, and we've been getting caught. I think today, we managed to deal with that. Amazulu didn't pose too much threat, but I think we could have scored. Jody Lepo had a chance. I think he should have hit the ball hard and low across for Khanyisa Mayo to finish, but the guy wants to shoot from anywhere. That's one of my biggest problems with Jody Lepo. The guy wants to shoot from anywhere, whether it's 20, 30, 40 yards, he wants to shoot. Yeah, very, very different, disappointing result. And the truth is we are falling apart. We are falling apart, mate. Smash a like, Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Subscribe. I'm out.